What we'll be trying today, we'll be trying to explain the properties of normal distribution. Hope my screen is visible. We just now discussed the distinction between discrete probability distributions, in which we had binomial distribution and Poisson distribution, and a continuous probability distribution like normal distribution. Binomial, we just told x was 0, 1, n. Poisson distribution, we had x 0, 1, 2, up to infinity. And normal distribution, we have anything between minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Now here we have formula of probability. Shreya, what are the formula here? Be quick, dear. NCX x n minus x. So if you remember, we can find probability of each of the possible values. What is probability of 0? What is probability of 1? Like this. So if you add all such possible values, it was adding up to 1. Do you agree with me? Ashish. Now here, similarly, what are the formula here?
So e to power minus m, m to power x by x factorial.
X factorial. So here also we can find probabilities of each term, E0, E1, like this to infinity. So this can be found mathematically to be 1. One can ask how we can add infinite series, but mathematically it is possible. If you look at screen, this mathematical derivation is not required for you, but you can just understand here. You take a summation, x ranging 0 to infinity. So if you do this, so this summation is nothing but it is e to the power m. Those who are mathematics at +2 level, they know that if you expand this, this will be like this. So this e to the power minus m into e to the power plus m, it will be okay. Now in this case, we have got a formula. Just to have a distinction, we will not be putting it as px. We may use a symbol called fx. Okay. Those who know integration, we using the concept of integration just to understand, not to calculate. There is a formula. I'll be just telling you the formula here. But here we do not calculate formula for each point. Here we found for each point. Here we found for each point. Here we cannot find for a point. For two regions, if you just find for a point, you are finding one area. So please remember, this is a point. This point has no width or height. Mathematically speaking, theoretically speaking, any point has got width or height of 0. Okay, so 0 into anything, the probability will be 0. So that's why we do not find probability for one point, rather we find for one interval. Maybe it could be like 0 to 1, it could be like 2.3 to 2.41. So something like interval will be doing it. Those who had math, they do know how to integrate this. So this is actually done by computer, and computer has found the integration value here. So this is the lower limit, this is upper limit, fx dx. So this is what we are finding it, and this is found in normal table. Okay, so we never use normal formula because computer has already found this probability. Okay, having said this, let me quickly try to explain what we have done. We'll be referring the properties what we had discussed earlier. Hope my screen is visible. I think this we had discussed, but quickly we can first go back what we had discussed here, just for a quick recap. So this was introduced as one of the most important distribution in statistics. We have also explained now the range could be minus infinity to plus infinity, and the probability curve that you will be drawing will be a perfectly bell-shaped. And we had discussed that the mean value, which is at center, it divides the area into equal to portions. Each area will be 0.5, 0.5. And we had also computed a range with different intervals, and it had different probability values, which we should remember. The most important thing is that whenever we are getting X value, we have to convert to Z by simple formula. Standard Z value is X minus mu by sigma, and that will be referring normal table. In normal table, we may be interested to find for different intervals. This we have done, and I was referring to a formula. This is 1 by sigma root 2 pi whole into e to the power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. It's a huge formula, but luckily we are not using this formula. Okay. Now this we had discussed, and these are the values for different interval. Ashish, you remember first interval was for what? Mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma.
Yes.
Second one was mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma.
2 sigma.
Third one was
Mu minus 3 sigma
to mu plus 3 sigma.
plus 3 sigma.
What was the probability in between here?
0.99.7.
0.997, right? And then we had discussed how to use normal table. I am quite hopeful that most of you should be very clear how to refer a normal table, and this will be given in exam. This question we had suggested that we'll be discussing today, and if you remember, the next question we had already solved. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll be discussing this. Can you please all take a screenshot? Question. Yeah.
Okay, so here mean is 500 and standard deviation is 100, and we have to find p greater than 650, probability greater than 650.
So what should I do? Tell me.
So, first we have to draw a graph and mark the middle part, that will be 500, and
Yes.
right side of the graph will write 650.
Yes.
We have to find the area after 650.
Should I set this area? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have to find the probability, right?
Yes, sir.
So what
Then,
next?
then we have to find z. Z is equal to x minus m by sigma. That is
Not m, mu by sigma.
mu by sigma. That
Yes.
is
What is x?
x is 650
Yes.
minus 300.
300.
Sorry, sir. 650
500.
minus 500. 500 by 100.
So how much it is?
1.5.
1.5.
1.5.
1.5.
What is the next step?
Converted into
Converted
so we have
into-
to convert it into we have to find the value of it from the table. So
Yes.
first we have wait, sir. It is 0.4332. Then we'll minus it from 0.5.
Yeah, this area is for white portion or for this.
No, sir, not for that portion, that white portion, sir.
Okay, okay.
Then we'll minus that from 0.5. 0.5
5 minus
minus this
is how much?
0.0668.
0.0668.
0.0668.
0.0668.
Okay. This area is this.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ashish Paikara,
Yes, sir.
beat one,
Yes, sir.
read out the question and tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what should be done. One by one, you should
What-
volunteer.
What is the probability of train leaving with less than 450 passengers?
What should I do? Look to the screen, help me.
Yes, sir.
Fatapat, type speaker.
Sir, here is
Look to the
what,
screen, which area we should do that.
sir, 450, more than 450, left side of 500,
Okay.
450,
Which area I should say?
less than, sir, right side of, sir, left side of the 450.
Am I correct now?
Yes, sir.
What next? What is the next step?
Sir, we have to find, sir, Z value.
Yes. Quickly tell me, what should I do? 450 minus
sir,
500.
500 by,
First, how much?
0.5
0.5 or minus 0.5?
minus 0.5.
Don't forget minus 0.5. Okay, Sarada, when we are referring normal table, all of you listen to me carefully. Normal table gives probability only for positive side. Because this curve is symmetrical, so it is just a repetition. So for negative side, normal table is not providing probability of Z value. So while referring probability, just ignore this negative sign and find probability when it is 0.5. Aliba, what is the probability? When Z is 0.5, what is probability?
0.1915.
Sharada, फिर से बोल
1915.
Okay, Sharada, this probability is for which area? This area, this area A, this area B, or this area C? Which area?
Sir, B area.
Very good. Thank you so much. So what should we do now? We want this area.
Sir,
What should we do?
0.5 minus 0.1915.
Very good. So 0.5 minus this is how much?
0.3085.
3085 is the answer here. Okay. Sunita Acharya, take over. Fatafat. Next bit question. Quick. Read out the question.
To find out the probability of train leaving with passengers including 300
350 and 600.
Bhaskar, take over.
600.
Find out the probability of train with passengers in between 350 and 600.
Sorry, come again.
Yes, sir.
Somebody should tell clearly.
But can I say
Passenger between 350 to 600.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
350 to 600.
Sunita Acharya, you read like a man.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I have I have taken photo of half distance. So it is committed.
You are half person now today. Ashish,
Yes, sir.
bol rahe.
So we have to draw left side of the left side 350.
Yes,
Then right side of the 500 600.
yes.
So we have to find 350 to 600 area. So we have to find Z value. So first we have to find 350 to 500 value. So 500 minus 350.
No, 350 minus 500.
Sorry, 500 by 100.
Is how much?
Sorry, 100.
Sir, 1.5, that is
Minus
your,
1.
Minus 1.5.
minus 1.5,
Minus
that is
1.5.
0.4332.
Neha, take over. For 600, what will be Z? Is it plus 1?
500 minus 600 by 100. That is 1.
No, wrong.
Plus 1.
600 minus 500 by 100. Why you are
Yeah,
confusing?
sorry. 600 minus 500 by 100 is
What
equal
next?
to 1.
What
So
next?
one.
Nirvik Bera, take over. One by one. Nirvik Bera, then Tini Panda. Nirvik Bera. What next?
Sir, then we have to
One by
Sir,
one, where big where are taking over.
Sir, then we have to add the values of px1 and px2.
First, we have to find p values, na?
Yes, sir.
So may
Tini bol rahe.
I? Sir, the Z2 value will be 600 minus 500 divided by 100, which is 1, which is equal to 0.3413. 3.
3, 4.
13.
Am I right in showing this area?
Yes, sir. From
Then
500 to 600.
Next,
Then we will
So you have
add. Then
so
we will add
0.4332.
0.4.
4332.
Okay, so this plus this.
Yes,
Nirvik,
sir.
I think you
That's
want to say this also. So this will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, next bit question.
Sir, find out the probability of the train leaving with between 400 to 450 passenger.
400 to 450.
450
Good.
passengers.
So what should be done?
So left side of the 500 and right, both are left side of the 500.
Okay, then
Then we have to find 400, then 450, then Z value, then minus Z value of 450, sorry, Z50 minus 400 Z
you find probability for this. You find
Yes.
probability for this. Suppose
minus
this is P1, this is P2. So P1 minus P2 is the
P2,
answer.
that's the answer.
Anybody not following, please feel free and ask me. Please feel free and ask me if anybody not following. Pratish Kumar, Aditya Karan, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Summarize this bit question. What was the question? What we did? Quick.
So we did like find out the like there is a mu 500 and sigma के standard deviation 100, and there are cases like first case was like 450 is like p
I am
values.
asking the last bit. Last bit. Explain.
So the both cases are in the negative value like 400 450. So you minus the you कहते हैं आपने value निकाला p1 का and second value निकाला 450 which is p2 and आपने minus करा p1 minus p2.
P1 कहाँ से मिलेगा?
सर कहते हैं 400 minus 500 upon 100 तो उसका आंसर आएगा एंड सेकंड आएगा कहते हैं जो p2 आएगा.
What is P1? According to what is P1? कितना मिला? Calculate रहे?
थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा सर.
टाइम लगेगा कितना? 5 घंटा लगेगा?
No sir.
Switch on video.
Yes sir.
Okay, there are 500 soldiers. Wait a minute. There are 500 soldiers, and it is written that mean is 170 centimeter. And we have been told that around 258 soldiers have the height between minus or plus 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. That is from 168 to 172 centimeter. So what I did was I went number of soldiers into the probability of plus minus 2 will give us 258. So I did 500 into P is equal to 258. So I got P is equal to 0.516. But since that probability ranges from 168.
You are going in a supersonic jet. We are all in R. We are going by a passenger train. You are also not understanding. That probability is for which area? You have to tell me slow. You should read my mind what I am asking. You are telling for your friends, not for you. Okay? You have to set the area step by step. So what Khushbu is perfectly right. She is telling this area she has found 258 by 500. Am I right? This way you have to explain others. Okay? If you divide Aditya Arindam, how much it comes?
So 0.516.
516. So this is a probability, right? So proceed. Khushbu, you have to explain very neatly, clearly. Yes. What next?
So 0.516 is the value between 168 to 170 plus 170 to 172. So I divided 0.516 by 2.
Okay. Stop. I think you are a better teacher. You want something lower teacher like Subudhi. So you are going in a supersonic jet. Sorry, Khushbu, you get 10 out of 10 mark, but I want to convince my students also. खुशबू बेटा थोड़ा मुझे भी चांस दे. So here for the first time, all of you listen to me. Whatever we have done assess, I think we have solved last class today around 10 plus normal distribution questions. You were given X value, you were given U value, you were given sigma standard deviation value. For the first time, we do not know sigma value. Okay, so this is what we are not knowing. So when you do not know sigma, you cannot find directly Z value. Okay, earlier till now, what we have done, from X we found Z value, from Z we found referred normal table P value. Now for the first time, please refer ulta way, will be finding P and P से Z को निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, now what Khushbu was precisely succinctly trying to tell us, when you are referring normal table tells from center 0 से लेके 1 point तक. So we have to find one area between this. This is symmetrical, so this area you have to take half of this. So if you divide by 2, this is 0.258. Am I clear up to this? Now this 0.258 Itisri is what? Z value. Itisri is the most obedient student of mine. If there is a competition of obedience, Itisri will get Olympic gold medal. Harit Radhikari, 0.258 is what?
That's not the Z value.
Joseph, Avik, 0.258 is what?
That's not a Z value.
That's
Sir,
it.
172 to 70.
72, 172.
72 to 72.
That's
अरे वो
170.
अपुल है, ऑरेंज है, क्या है? प्रोबेबिलिटी है, जेड वैल्यू है.
Probability.
Probability है.
तो बोलना तीसरी, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी है. नॉर्मल टेबल देखो, सभी देखो. You have got all. So हम से
0.7.
हाँ, Sarada, रुक रहे. Many of your friends may not be knowing. Sarada, thank you so much. That's the correct. Now, if you refer, all of you please concentrate. For the first time you are finding, please see in normal table here you have Z values. Usually from a Z value you are referring P values. Now ulta, from P value you refer what is that Z value. Okay, so who can share the screen? फटाफट करो. Who can share the normal table screen? सोम सेन तू कर पाएगा रे नॉर्मल टेबल? अरे अनम्यूट करके बोलना. Yes. Explain, unmute करके बोल. How do we find that? Highlight कर. अरे कोई तो बोलो जल्दी.
Sir, is the Z value is 0.7?
रुको, सोम को बोलने दो. सोम 0.258 कहाँ है रे? Don't.
0.2 तो यहाँ है, 58 आपका
तो गलत है. इसीलिए मैंने सोच रहा था कि 40% of you are not listening to me carefully. Sarada, now can you guess why I'm taking so much of pain? Sarada, you ask Soham to locate correctly. Sarada, take over, explain clearly. Then Neha.
So see
हाँ बताइए.
for the first column is for Z, and in the second column it's the probability of 0.00.
वही second column पे vertically down ask.
Down second column.
Column.
तो यही है ना.
Column, second column रे.
तो हम second column.
कोई तो
00 0.001.
00 के 0.07 भाई.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. कॉलम और रो में तो अलग दिखा.
अरे सोहम
0.8.
जेड का 0.7 वैल्यू देखो, उधर लिखा है.
हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना मिला था? नोटबुक देख रहे. 0.516 को 2 डिवाइड करने के बाद हमें मिला 0.258 मिला था.
हाँ सर, 0.258.
0.258 जो मिला मैंने पूछा कैटेगरिकली वो क्या है, पूछा था।
हाँ, पूछ रहे क्या कैटेगरी में।
तो प्रोबेबिलिटी वैल्यू में से जो बीच में है टेबल का, उसमें से हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहाँ पर है 0.258। अभी ढूंढ के बता कहाँ पर है, उसको हाईलाइट कर, बड़ा कर, एनालाइज कर।
सर 0.7 में है, 0. यहाँ पर
0.7
ये
को भूल जा, 0.7 को अभी भूल जा, 0.258 को हाईलाइट कर।
हाईलाइट कैसे करते हैं? हाईलाइट करने का कुछ है नहीं।
हाँ, ठीक है, हो गया, हो गया। नाउ अभी देख, ये जो 0.258 का, इसका जेड कितना है, फर्स्ट कॉलम से ढूंढ के बता।
0.7 है सर।
हाँ, तो मैंने क्या बोल रहा हूँ, आशीष भी वही बोल रहा था, 0.258 से हमें मिल रहा है 0.7। ठीक है, स्टॉप शेयरिंग, स्टॉप शेयरिंग। All of you are clear? Thank you for helping us for discussion. Abhi Sunita Acharya help me, then Santanu Mishra. Get ready. So अभी जो मिला, ये जेड वैल्यू कहाँ में लिखूं? अरे टाइम सेव करो, टाइम सेव।
172
सर, 172 के नीचे लिखेंगे। ठीक है, सो ये जो जेड वैल्यू है ये रहा 0.7। ऑल ऑफ यू आर क्लियर?
यस सर।
शांतनु, जेड का फॉर्मूला क्या था? एक्स माइनस म्यू बाई सिग्मा।
यस सर।
इसमें देख एक्स वैल्यू कितना है?
एक्स वैल्यू सर 172 सर।
मीन वैल्यू कितना है गौतमी?
सर मीन है 258।
172
अरे यार क्या कर रहे हो सब लोग?
72
हाँ सर, सॉरी सर, 170।
सॉरी सर, सॉरी जी, इसी वर्ड बोलिए। 172 माइनस 170 बाई
0.7
सिग्मा कितना?
फाइन सर।
सिग्मा वी आर
तो फाइंड कर रहा है।
सिग्मा
find
is
किया ना
not
उसने?
given. Sigma is not given. Sarada. So this is found to be 0.7. So इसमें से we have to find sigma value. Cross multiply. Sigma.
2.585.
2.857.
Okay. All of you are clear? Anybody having doubt?
Sir, I'm the Novo company that manufactures recreational vehicles. We have two conflicting objectives. First, we want to save the material cost by building small doors, and also to preserve the good reputation, that is that the customers have the average, the height has to be 90%, 95% of the adults have
Am I allowed to just clarify my doubt there? So it's like in between, don't get disturbed. Any of the participant friends, how it is conflicting? What are the objective? Objective number one, Aditi.
So the first objective is that they want to build small doors so that they can save their material costs, and it
So
also
in short-
preserves
in
their
short-
reputation within public.
In short,
And the
arrange I wanted first objective. Aditi, you have told everything. First objective, save material, save resources. What is second objective, Sarada?
reputation.
Reputation. Reputation का मतलब क्या है? Who can explain? Devasmita Panda. What do you mean by reputation? How it is conflicting?
Sir, its image in the market. It has to means the company also has to means protect its image in the market, and
No,
so
what is that? What is that? Are you really understanding? Sriya, take over. What is objective
Yes,
number
sir.
two?
So the reputation is that 95% have the tall enough. They are tall enough, so they are obligated to manufacture tall doors too.
No. Who can tell very clearly in a very layman version what is the second? Yes, Singh, give it a try.
Sir, in United States, the 95% people are near about 73 inches. So the company wants to make.
Problem क्या है? What is the second objective क्या है?
सर वही वो चाहता है कि उसका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 95% पीपल को टारगेट कर पाए, वो सेकंड में भी क्वालिफाई।
नहीं, Anybody else who can tell?
तो ताकि
can I
कोई
send-
और दूसरे ब्रांड का ना लेके उन्हीं से ले इसीलिए।
तो ब्लॉक कर रहा है टीनी।
सर क्या नहीं सर
हाँ, अलीबाद एंड आलोक
सर
भूया।
सर वो डोर इतना लंबा मतलब टू दैट एक्सटेंट दे विल मेक द डोर टू द टॉल so that 95% of the adult population can go adult population of the US United States can pass through it without stooping मतलब without any
Without
objection
stooping.
Yes.
You are not understanding that. अगर stooping का मतलब क्या है रे आलोक? I think it's a
Sir,
confusing word.
Yes, sir. Actually,
Yes sir or no sir? I will always try to confuse you.
Sir,
Stooping का
90%
मतलब है
बेंड करना नहीं होगा, मतलब बेंड डाउन कम करना होगा।
सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा 90% घुसने के लिए।
So you are purchasing a car, recreational vehicle, and while entering झुकना पड़ता है। जो झुकना क्यों झुके हम? Now my question is, how it is conflicting? What are conflicting, Sarada? Are you getting my question? What is my question? Try to understand my question.
Yes,
How
sir.
it is conflicting? What are
Sir,
conflicting?
Sir, conflicting is they want to save their material cost as well as they want the vehicle so that this people
Arey
with
beta, you try to read my mind. We are slowly discussing objective one. All of you are clear? Objective one क्या है श्रेया? What is objective one? पैसा बचाओ, resources
Yes, sir.
बचाओ. Very clear. Try to understand this. What is objective number two? कि हमारे कस्टमर का तकलीफ ना हो. तकलीफ कम नहीं होगा, यस ना झुकना पड़े। ओके, सो यू हैव टू मेक इट टॉल इनफ। आलोक भैया, अगर हम टॉल डोर करेंगे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा? करो ना।
मेटेरियल कॉस्ट ज्यादा होगा।
अगर हाइट होगा डोर का
कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा,
तो रिसोर्सेस ज्यादा खर्चा होंगे ना,
कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा।
समझा करो। सो अगर फास्ट को कंसंट्रेट करोगे तो सेकेंड कंप्रोमाइज होगा, सेकेंड को कंसंट्रेट करोगे फास्ट कंप्रोमाइज होगा। समझा करो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ए कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग। इफ यू आर सेविंग कंजूसी करोगे तो आपको डोर हाइट को कम करना पड़ेगा। डोर हाइट कम करोगे तो ज्यादातर कस्टमर को झुकना पड़ेगा, इनकन्वीनियंस। दैट विल लीड टू ए बैड ब्रांड इमेज। ब्रांड इमेज तो बाद में आएगा, आप लोग को सोचना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द केस। सो दोनों को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाओगे, सो वी हैव टू स्ट्राइक ए बैलेंस बिटवीन द टू। सो व्हाट द कंपनी हैज डिसाइडेड, द कंपनी हैज डिसाइडेड you cannot satisfy 100% customers. Why can't we, Alok?
Heights of
Go
the
beyond.
different.
See, don't be bookish. Go beyond this case. Think out of box. Why?
Sir, पहले तो उनका
heart of a person called Kali the Great. नाम सुना? How short he is? 3-4 फुट का बंदा होगा, आलोक भैया? अगर आप वो भी यूएस में है, अगर आप खाली को टारगेट करोगे, हाउ मेनी खालीज आर देयर इन वर्ल्ड?
वेरी लेस।
खामोखा आपका वेस्टेज रिसोर्सेज वेस्टेज होगा नहीं होगा? सो खाली साहब आएंगे, खरीद करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, वो तो डिफरेंट इशू ऑल टुगेदर। सो यू हैव सजेस्टेड इफ वी कैन सेटिस्फाई 95% ऑफ द कस्टमर्स, फाइन, गुड एनफ। वी कैनॉट लाइक टारगेट ऑल। One could be a rich person and could be 7.5 feet person. So, वो कस्टमर को हम देखेंगे या मेजॉरिटी पीपल को देखेंगे? शारदा,
majority
this way you have to try to understand. Okay, now come down to Aditi Bhadani, straight to issue क्या है, करना क्या है? Come down to the question part, then Nirvik Vera. Aditi, then Nirvik. Don't waste time. Aditi, answer or say pass.
In the end, we have to determine how tall should the door be.
So here, are you asking me to suppose let the height of the door be x? Is that so? Do you know that what is the value of x? X दिया गया है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ये भी नहीं है। आप सोचा करो। Again, another question. where X value is not given. Prior to this, all questions you have solved, X value was given. Aliba Misra. So if X value is not given, what should be done? Can you, what is the first step I told if you are solving a normal question? What is the first step, Aliba?
Yes, sir. 6 inches.
Standard deviation का कोई रोल नहीं है यहाँ.
No, sir.
और क्या given?
So 95%.
95% कहाँ होगा? X axis में होगा?
वहाँ पर ही डाउट है कौन से साइड में होगा.
95% is it in X axis और वो क्या है? Sharoda, why you are silent? Answer कर. Percentage means it's a probability. So यहाँ जो है minimum value, यहाँ जो है maximum value. So शुरू से left hand side से लेके right hand side तक यहाँ तक 95% value होगा. This is probability. Okay. Now some of you had a mistake. You, I think somebody was showing like this. Who was showing like this? With a below.
Yes, Anirban.
Anirban, now are you getting it? So this is from beginning to this, and this total area is how much?
95%, sir.
0.95.
All of you are clear up to this? Please ask
Sir,
me not following.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, earlier classes we have studied that mean plus minus 2 sigma covers
Right.
the area of 95.5%.
Right, very good, very good, very good. All of you, please concentrate. Here, if you are getting this question in exam, what should be the first sentence, Aliva? Let the height of dou be x,
Yes, sir.
right? X is in,
Inches.
okay. So what is that height? Height of what?
Height of door.
Door, sir.
Okay. Is it representing the height of the person?
No.
No. Who is using the car?
Yes, sir.
Persons are using, na?
Yes,
Listen to me. Suppose Avik is married. He has got 5, 6, 10, 11, 12 children. Okay. Now, if Avik is buying the car, his kids will use the car or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्यों नहीं भास्कर? बच्चों का और कार होगा.
He will have to purchase a
अभी के
bus.
साथ जाएंगे ना. सुनो रे आशीष पैकरा. Suppose a kid who is of 6 months or 1 year, height कितना होगा? 1 feet.
1 feet.
तो वो कहाँ आएगा? राइट साइड, मेन का राइट हैंड साइड में आएगा और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा.
Left side. Left side.
So now please listen. A person of like 0 height also is also your customers. Do you agree or not? Who was asking me the question? Am I Anirban? Am I indirectly answering your question? So you have to take the height from beginning to a point, and the usual proportion will be 0.95. And what should be the height? That we don't know. We have to find this. How many of you are clear? Fatafat, raise your hand. How many of you are clear up to this? Raise your hand. How many of you are clear? I'm so happy that my explanation has not gone waste, and rest should please help others, right? Shivanishwar, what should we do next? Shivani and yes, can you please help? Please be quick or say pass.
Sir, now we will use the formula. Z is
Sunit Acharya, getting bored?
No, sir.
What next?
Sir, we should use the formula Z is equal to X minus.
We don't know X value na. We don't know X value na. Any
No, sir.
volunteer? Aliva?
We should take Z value equal to
Sir, we
0.95.
should take 0.95 equals to x minus 73 by 6.
No. Aditya Arindam Das?
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll be finding the probability from 73 to X. What will be the area covering under that? Then we can find the X value, I think, from there.
What is that? How do you find?
So I will find the total, the right hand part of the from 73, it's 0.5 probability. So from there we can minus 0.05 because we have total 95. The left part, which is
Shibani, could you listen to Aditya? Can you quote him? Have you understood?
No, sir, I'm not getting.
That is the problem. We are not listening to each other. Sarada, hope you have understood what Aditya was correctly suggesting. Can you elaborate, repeat it again for the benefit of others?
Sir,
You all, Shibani or others, recall the last example, what we have done. Okay, Sarada, take over. Aditya, thank you so much.
the total is 0.95. So we have to calculate between 73 to X.
So
we have to minus 0.5 of this up to 0 to 75. 73 is 0.5.
This area is how much, Sunita Acharya?
0.5.
0.5. So 0.95 minus 0.5, that's what Aditya was suggesting. I don't know why you are not getting it. Okay, so 0.95 minus 0.5 is 0.45. So this is this area. All of you are clear? So what next? Told 1.7, mujhe koi problem nahi, you will be getting full mark. Those who are telling 1.65, no problem. But those who are good student, try to understand, ये दोनों का average ले सकते हैं आदित्य अरिंदम दास? कौन सा? What are the two Z values?
So 1.64 and 1.65.
65 का अगर हम लेंगे,
Yes, sir.
तो most accurate होगा नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most accurate होने से क्या फायदा? कोई सोच के बताएगा? Most accurate मतलब क्या है?
सर हाइट हमको सही से मिलेगा.
Nearest possible probability मिलेगा.
सुन रहा वेग. Even if you are saving 1 micromillimeter, if you are producing millions of doors, can you imagine how much of resources you can save? So why to take 1.7, Aliva? If you can go to the accurate value, that's better, you go for that. If it comes in exam, no problem, you may get mark. But you should try to understand what should be done. In exam, you may get good mark. Am I making sense, Aditya Arindam Das? So, all of you or some of you, please help me. So, what should be done? And can you just help me solving it here? I request Aditya Arindam Das to please help me. What should I
Sir.
do?
So we have got the Z value
like this.
average. Yes.
ये जो है इसका मिला 0.45 and corresponding to this probability यहाँ मिला Z कितना
1.645.
1.645.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
If somebody is taking 1.65, no problem. If one is taking 1.67, no problem. But this should be good. Okay. What next?
So X minus 73 by 6 is equal to 1.65. From the
X
formula you can get
minus 73 divided by
6.
6 is equal to 1.645.
645.
Okay.
So from there we can get
Please
X as
find X value.
82.9. So X value
82,
0.9 inches.
9 or 93?
So it's to be exact, this is coming to 82.87 inches.
Make it 82.87. Why you are rounding it off?
Okay, sir.
Again, if you're making it 82.9, what will happen to you? Who are you?
I am that person, salesperson.
You
Our
are
manufacturer.
representing that company, knob door company.
Yes.
If you are doing this, what will happen?
Extra cost will be
So
gone
be
from the
careful.
company.
Involve yourself in the case. All of you clear? So what should the last sentence, Aditya, remember?
So this would be
Knob door
the
company
maximum
should
height.
manufacture
The car doors of maximum of 82.9 inches.
not
car is
maximum, exactly this, not
exactly
maximum.
of 82.9 inches. Yes.
So that both the objectives are met. So that both the objectives are met. Okay. Aditya, can you do me a favor? You just
Yes.
explain clearly, very clearly, the case in 1 minute and solution in 2 minutes.
So here the case indicates that a car manufacturer company has two objectives. One objective is that they had to get a minimalistic cost for overall production, and they have to satisfy all of their customers. Up to 95%, they have to satisfy their customers. So if the probability of getting the customer satisfied is 0.95, so from here we can, the
Not
mean
probability of getting satisfied customer. 95% of the people height, okay,
will enter the
without
car.
bending or
Stooping,
stooping.
yes,
Okay,
stooping.
so it is
Yes.
not satisfaction. It is like how many persons of that height. So this area is 0.9.
0.95. Yes.
Proceed.
So again, we can, from there we can find that what is the value from this mean position to the position where actual height of the car. Yes, X. So that area will be 0.95 minus 0.05. No, sorry, sir. That will be 0.5 minus 0.05. That is 0.45. Yes.
Proceed next, quick.
So from there we can find the what is the Z value. Exact Z value will be 1.645.
From the
And
multiple we got it.
yes. So
And this formula is X minus
X
I.
minus mu by sigma.
X is not given, rest is given. So X minus 72.
Side
by-
73, sir. Side 73.
Yes,
Okay,
73.
thank you for correction. And by
6, sir.
6.
6. So by solving this, you got X. What is X, Avik?
X is 82.87, sir.
What is X? X is your
Acha,
temperature,
it's a no, the door. Size of the door, sir.
height.
Which is
It is 82 point.
Exactly. 82.87. Exact height of the door.
And don't forget to mention the unit of measurement. What is the unit of measurement?
Inches.
What we have done here, all of you please stop writing, listen to me. Earlier question, we had X value. From X value, you converted, found Z value. From Z value, you refer normal table to find P value. But here, a question is there, you had P value. From P value, from normal table, you found Z value. And from Z value, you found what is the X value. Okay. If you remember this, I think it will be easier for you to recall and solve it properly without any mistake in exam. Okay, is that clear?